welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today, we are making a copycat Taco Bell Mexican pizza. It's a quick and easy way to recreate a fast food favorite. So for our ingredients, we have some cooking oil, a pack of soft flour tortillas, 1 pound of ground beef, some fajita season. I make my own taco seasoning, so that's what I used. We have 1.5 cups of chunky salsa, 16-ounce can of refried beans, 2.5 cups of shredded Mexican blend cheese. For our garnishes, we have tomatoes and green onions. You can also put some sliced black olives if you desire that. We're going to heat up a large skillet and we are going to add our ground beef. Here I'm adding my homemade taco seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder and we are just going to fry up our beef really well. You want to cook and mix and crumble until brown, about 5 to 6 minutes. You want to remove any excess grease. And then we're going to wipe our pan out and then we're going to add our ground beef back to our pan. And then stir in a 1/2 cup of your chunky salsa. We're going to mix our salsa in really good with our ground beef. Now we're going to put that to the side. Now you can add onions and stuff if you want to your ground beef, but I didn't. Now here we're going to move on to frying our flour tortillas. You could put them in the oven, but I wanted to fry mine. We're going to fry them on both sides until they are golden brown. Once our flour tortillas are done, we're going to take them off and we're going to let them drain on some paper towels. So we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. And you want to line 2 large baking sheets with aluminum foil or parchment paper for easy cleanup. This is once we finish making our Mexican pizzas. They have to go in the oven and the cheese has to melt really ooey and gooey. You can cook your tortillas 2 ways. Next, we're going to go on and assemble our Mexican pizza. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to add a couple dollops of our refried beans. What you could do, you could reheat your refried beans on the stove, however you desire. I did use the stove. And we're just going to spread that out evenly onto our flour tortilla. Next, we're going to add our salsa, and we're just going to add a couple of dollops of that and evenly spread that as best as you can. Next, we're going to go in and add our ground beef with our salsa. Then we're going to put another tortilla on the top. And here we're just going to add some more salsa to the top. And then we're going to add our shredded cheese to the top. You want to put this in your oven until your cheese has melted to your liking. I like mine a little brown around the edges. You want to place your Mexican pizza back in the oven at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. You want to check after 3 minutes. Now we're going to take our pizza out of the oven and we're going to garnish it with some tomatoes and some green onions. We're going to cut into 4 pieces and you want to serve hot with some taco sauce. You can even garnish it with some onions, cilantro, and some sour cream. And look at that pizza. It was delicious. It's better than Taco Bell. You don't have that mystery meat, honey. Look at it. I'm going to give you a bite. Take your bite. It was really good. And then watch this cheese pull. Real cheesy, real gooey. So today we made a copycat Taco Bell Mexican pizza. If you like this video and you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats. See you next time.